Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share the latest official AliExpress promo codes with you. Using these promo codes, you can save money on your favorite products. So make sure you watch till the end. These coupons are available for a limited time only, so don't miss out. I've added all the coupon details and my link in the description below. Just click and open this coupon page. Then, according to your product price, copy the coupon code and paste it into the coupon code box. After that, click the apply button and enjoy the discount. These are official promo codes, so they're guaranteed to work if your order meets the requirements, like minimum purchase value. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deals, discounts, and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on AliExpress.